Okay, here's the latest update. This subframe just sitting here because just got it ready to go off to the welder to get some tabs welded on here and here, and get this hole filled in. I can drill it and tap it myself, and this C-pan's just here so that he would know what he had to work with for spacing. So of course I had to get this ready. These little tabs had to be bent back. I used the heat gun and pried them up, and this one had a little crack in it, so I just melted a little plastic in there just to try to shore it up a little bit, and finally got the bearings out of these wheel hubs. Now what I don't understand is how these little tiny holes wound up in here. If anybody knows, I'd really appreciate being told, just out of curiosity. I mean, I don't think it's really gonna harm anything in the grand scheme of things. The new bearing should go in there just fine. Of course, I still have to clean this up a little bit yet. Just finished this water pump housing. I think it turned out pretty good. And of course, it's not perfect, but you know, it's good enough for me. So yeah, I got to finish up polishing these. This still has quite a ways to go. I haven't even started polishing these yet. Gotta finish polishing that. I don't need to finish polishing that, but I think I'll give it another go. And I'm gonna finish polishing that. I have to finish banging the dents out of this cylinder tailpiece. That's it for tonight. Time to shut her down. Okay, here's the latest update. I'm super stoked. I just got back from the border with a bunch of big shipments. They weren't physically big, it's big due to their significance, I guess. There was 2 Revzilla orders, a Partzilla order, Rocky Mountain ATV, and 2 eBay. The first eBay was a new seat, the seat cushion, super sweet, love it, and new carburetor from Sudco. Yeah, I elected to go with a new Mikuni instead of going with the Electron. The Electron was just, well, it was literally 3 times more expensive than getting a new Mikuni. I couldn't pass it up. I couldn't believe I found it on eBay, to be honest. The Rocky Mountain ATV, I got a new set of rims, Warp 9 rims, and then of course the rim locks and the, you know, all the other little things that go along with that. Yeah, so from Revzilla and Partzilla was mostly OEM stuff. There was some rear master cylinder rebuild kit, which wasn't as complete as I was hoping it would be. It's missing a part that, or I should say missing, it didn't include a part that I was really hoping it did, because the one that came off the bike was just so rotted. I don't even know if I can save it. I mean, I'm gonna have to grind the rust off, and hopefully there's some steel under there somewhere. And I got some graphics. I got some stickers for a few things here and there, and bleeder screws, which they were more problematic than they should have been to acquire. But I got some. I don't know what they call them. They have like a check valve in them or something. Makes them easier to bleed brakes. Some plastic parts, rear brake protector thing, which the old one was busted. So I mean, I kind of half thought about trying to fix it. I mean, I might have been able to if I worked at it long enough, but holy shit! I mean, I've been sinking so much time into this project and money. I just thought, well, it's another couple of bucks. I just got finished polishing up some parts here, and they look amazing. I didn't even know that you could make aluminum look like this. Like, I don't know if the camera's really being. I guess it's picking up the reflection somewhat here. Yeah, I mean, it's not perfect, but jeez, I mean, considering the shape they were in when I took them off the bike, I mean, this is just light years beyond what they were when they came off. Like this part here especially, I mean, there's still a few scratches in it, but I mean, this chain guide was, I had pretty well written it off. It was destroyed. I mean, I actually wound up having to cut a little extra out here because it was still a little bit of chain wear in there. But yeah, it was all scratched and beat to crap. And I thought, well, these things are readily available. I'll just buy a new one. But I thought, well, let's do a little experiment. Let's see if we can bring this back to life, polish it up, and get it anodized. We'll see how it looks. But man, like that steer and stem upper, my God. And of course the handlebar brackets that go on it. Even the lower. The lower is probably the one that turned out the least good. But it still looks amazing. Like, let's do a little side-by-side comparison. And I guess it's not a fair comparison because this one's kind of dirty, but here we have original flavor and extra crispy. I mean, extra shiny. See, I got the casting lines off. See, the casting lines have all been sanded out. Pretty impressive. Just amazing. I mean, that's just a silencer can, but so much better than it was when it came off. So there we are. Yeah, hopefully in another 2 days I'm gonna clean these up too. Gotta take them and everything here except for the silencer can off to get anodized. So here we are for now. Time to close up shop for the night.